Hello and welcome to this FortiADC's video on the direct routing packet forwarding mode in Layer 4 deployment. FortiADC is Fortinet's application delivery controller solution that provides Layer 2, Layer 4, and Layer 7 load balancing, SSL offloading, application acceleration, web application security, global server load balancing, etc. In this session, we'll walk through the direct routing packet forwarding mode in Layer 4 deployment, how FortiADC processes traffic in this mode, the benefits it offers, and how to configure it effectively. In Layer 4 deployments, FortiADC is configured with a VIP that clients target instead of communicating directly with real servers. It inspects packets at the IP and TCP UDP header level, and depending on the forwarding mode, it can modify the destination and source IP addresses. This allows FortiADC to support flexible packet forwarding methods, including DNAT, full NAT, direct routing, NAT4.6, and tunneling, making it suitable for complex network topologies, NAT environments, and multi-subnet architectures where direct routing isn't feasible. Direct routing is also known as DSR, direct server return. In this mode, FortiADC receives client requests, selects a real server, and forwards the packet with the source and destination IPs unchanged. The real server responds directly to the client, bypassing FortiADC on the return path. In direct routing mode, the VIP configured on FortiADC to receive client requests must also be configured on each backend server as a loopback interface. This VIP must not respond to ARP requests, because FortiADC is responsible for answering ARP requests for the VIP. This setup ensures proper traffic redirection without IP conflicts. As discussed, using the direct routing packet forwarding mode offers several advantages. The client request passes through FortiADC only once on the way in. The server sends the response directly back to the client, bypassing FortiADC entirely for return traffic. FortiADC doesn't become a bottleneck for large volumes of outbound data. It's suitable for services like video streaming, large file downloads, and real-time media delivery. Using direct routing can reduce the latency because it avoids unnecessary hops or IP rewriting on the return path. In addition to direct routing mode, FortiADC supports full NAT, DNAT, NAT4.6, and tunneling modes to accommodate various network topology requirements. Watch the related videos for detailed explanations of each mode, and refer to the network architecture guide available on the FortiADC documentation page for further information. Thanks for watching.